Hello everyone, John Wilsie here at Johnson RV, located right here in Medford, Oregon. Premium pre-owned store here. Now this right here is a 2018. It is going to be one of our premium pre-owned coaches here that we have in our lot. It is going to be a Jayco 27RL. It's going to be 31 feet in length here for you. Beautiful floor plan, double door access here, power awning. Does have the optional for a backup camera there for you. Makes it easy to pull in and out of a parking space, but mostly for camping when you're backing up to your spot. One thing I love about the rear living is that you're going to have beautiful natural lighting in the coach. So when you do go to the coast, you're going to have an amazing view while you are there. As soon as we walk in, beautiful two-tone interior. You are going to have your sofa and your two individual reclining chairs. Very comfortable, very plush. As soon as we walk over here, 3 gas burner, oven, microwave here for you. Split sink, lots of counter space and storage space you gotta have. Very clean. Now, one thing I do love about the rear living, it gives you a little more privacy. So if you do get a little bit extra people coming to visit, they have their own place where they can sleep, relax, entertainment. As we come back through here, you're gonna have your lavatories in your bathroom, corner shower, really nice floor plan, lots of storage. And then what that privacy door right there does for you, so now you got individual bathrooms. Now we come through here, we got the master bedroom. Beautiful floor plan, lots of wardrobe closet. Does have an option for another TV mount here for you. Another closet space right here. Lots of drawers, emergency exit windows tinted. Now folks, if you think this beautiful 2018 Jayco 27RL might be the right fit for you, I recommend coming down here to Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon. Come down, take a look at it, get a chance to see it in person, because photos and videos don't do it any justice. Come ask for John, I'll be happy to take care of you.